we are going to show you how to assemble and install the leveler stored proc switch on our Rite-Hite RHH series 232 safety lip dock leveler. First, open kit 148184 and discard the packaging materials. Remove the proximity switch from its packaging and set on the side temporarily. Locate the square tube and install the proximity switch within it. Make sure you line up the notches as shown. Install the 2-inch long provided screws. Notice how they are recessed. We once again are installing this option onto a RHH series leveler with a 232 lip, so the safety lip adapter is needed. Assemble it as shown to the switch using the provided hardware. Using a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 3/8 inch tool of your choice. Identify the formed angle bracket with multiple holes. Install the proximity switch as shown onto the formed angle and install the remaining hardware. Use a 1/8 inch Allen wrench and a 3/8 inch tool of your choice. Shown next is a bar with 2 threaded holes that is welded into place on the leveler subframe. Note: current production shipping from the factory already has this mounting plate welded onto the subframe. If you have an older unit, you will need to weld this bar into place. Please follow the documentation supplied with kit 148184. Proximity switch assembly onto the subframe as shown. Verify it was assembled correctly. In the video you can see there are 3 sets of holes to allow for proper mounting height of the assembly. Once this is identified, install the screws and tighten. Verify the switch is lower than the lip keepers to prevent damage before storing the leveler. Please follow the site-specific drawings supplied. Each proximity switch has 4 connection points, in which we will use 3. Terminal J14-3 on the microprocessor board is connected to the black wire on the switch. The white wire is not used. The blue wire is connected to J14-5. And the brown wire is connected to 12 volts DC at terminal J2-4 on the power module. Testing. Lower the leveler into a stored position and verify the back green LED turns yellow. This indicates the lip is seen by the proximity switch. Looking in the control box, you will notice the input on the microprocessor board. This completes the installation of the 148184 Rite-Hite Leveler Stored Proximity Switch Kit.